Welcome to Dalton Gallery. I hope to bring you with me on a journey into the arts. I'll explore the basics and push myself and my creativity. And if you come along with me on this journey, I hope to push yourself and your creativity. Once a week I will go live and we can draw together. I will also upload videos throughout the week, so stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification, and let me know in the comments below what you'd like to see happen on Dalton Gallery's channel. Maybe I'll pick one of your suggestions and we'll draw it together. And if you like this content and want to see more, just give this a thumbs up. And if you made it this far, well, thank you for watching. Greatly appreciate you. And we will see you on future broadcasts at Dalton Gallery.